Alright, hi, welcome back. This is video number 3 in the Honors Pre-Calculus Summer Assignment tutorial series. And in this video we're going to be talking about evaluating functions and doing some operations on functions, combining functions. Alright, so here we have an evaluate each function type of problem. So we're going to take the g function, g of x, and we're going to evaluate it when x equals -1. Okay? So, first step is to say what we're going to do. Here's what we're doing. We're going to evaluate g when we feed it -1. The next thing is we take our function. Everywhere we see an x, we put -1. Here you go. And for that x, we have -1. And all we have to do then is evaluate it. Okay, so just simplify the answer. Notice, this 2 does not own this exponent. This exponent is not working on the 2, just on the 3. So we'll leave the 2 alone for now. We'll simplify our exponent. -1 plus 1 is 0. Remember your 0 exponent property, anything to the 0 power is equal to 1. So take care of our exponents here. 3 to the 0 power is 1. And this simply equals 2. Okay? So that's a pretty simple operation. Just say what you're doing, how we're doing it, and then get the answer. Alright, next, this is an example. It's question number 25 from your summer assignment. The previous one we did was question number 19. This is question number 25. Alright, so we're given two functions. We're given h, function of x, defined as take x, multiply it by 4, add 4. And we're given g, the g function, function of x, take what we give it, take the x, square it, and add 2 times x. What we're to do is find h of x minus g of x. So what are we doing? We're taking h of x, subtracting g of x. This is what we're doing. How do we do it? We take the h function, how it's defined, as 4x plus 4, and then we're going to subtract the g function. Here's the g function. It's defined as x squared plus 2x. X squared plus 2x, and this is a little bit incorrect at this point, because we're not just subtracting the x squared, we're subtracting the whole function, x squared and 2x. So those parentheses are super important. All we have to do now is simplify. So 4x plus 4, let's now distribute that negative sign through to each term in the parentheses. So that would be negative x squared and negative 2x. Combine like terms. Here we have an x term and another x term. We have an x squared term. So let's put it in standard form by putting our x squared term first. That takes care of this one. Then our x terms would be 4 minus 2. It's positive 2x. Takes care of these two. And then our positive 4. So again, things to be sure to check for. Make sure, if you're subtracting, that you subtract the entire function, and follow your rules of order of operations when simplifying. So what are we doing? How are we doing it? And then simplify your answer. Okay. So now, your job. Do question number 20 through 28. Remember, check your answers. Remember the things to do if you get stuck. Good luck.